So guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing of one of the Daniel Wellington watches that I was recently sent. I was contacted by, I guess, their PR to pretty much be sent a watch and feature it in a video. So that's what I'm doing. I'm pretty much going to open it and I guess talk about it on first impression. So they let you pick which watch you want to be sent, and I got the classic Melrose in 28mm, which is the smaller dial, because I have a small wrist, so kind of made sense for me. And yeah, let's open it up. So they also sent the cuff, I guess, complimentary. They didn't say I had to feature this or anything or talk about it, but it's actually really nice. So let's see if the zoom works on this. So yeah, it looks to be working there. So they sent a rose gold cuff that just has Daniel Wellington inscribed on it. Oh my gosh, my nails are horrific. I'm due to get them done tomorrow. I'm so sorry. I don't really know when I would wear this cuff, to be perfectly honest. I mean, the watch you'll see is also rose gold, so maybe that's why they sent this one to match. But I'm just not massive on bracelets. I wear this one bangle, which was my grandmother's, and that's about it. I'm really bad at wearing accessories except for a watch. That's probably the only piece of jewellery I wear, and if I don't wear it then I feel naked. So I guess I'll stay zoomed in. This actually works quite well. Just gotta make sure everything's in focus here. So they sent everything in this gorgeous box, perfect for gift giving. I mean, it's ready to go. So I was definitely impressed by that. And then also the fact that it's like one of these flip up magnetized boxes. I thought the watch was going to be here. So there's another box, so I guess this is more of a gift wrapping type situation. And then this is the watch itself. So, oh yeah, okay. I'm actually really happy with that. I'm always nervous about which dial to get because I get the smaller one. I'm always worried it's going to be too small, but this is actually quite cute. So I'll do a close up. So that's the watch there. It's the classic Melrose in 28mm, and it's the rose gold one, but I'll put the full name of it down below along with a link and everything. Of course, being sent this, they did give me a discount code for you guys. It's ZA15 and you get 15% off, so definitely use that if you end up buying something from them. But just continuing on, I'm just going to pop it out of here. Oh, here we go. It's a little bit stuck, definitely tightly packed in there. So it's just got one of these clear things on the top, which I'll just quickly take off. And it looks to also have one on the back, so I'll take that one off as well. And then this is the watch. Now I have been warned that the clasp on this can be a little bit difficult to move around, but apparently there's a YouTube tutorial on it, so I might check that out really quickly and just resize this to my size. So it was definitely a little bit difficult to move that just now. I actually didn't need to move it. It was almost spot on for my size. But I'll link the video down below of how you kind of resize this watch. Put it on. So I really like that the fact that this one, the excess, can I show you here? The excess kind of strap actually goes underneath the band, so it just looks like it's a watch that was perfectly made for you. And I'm struggling a little bit here. I have to set this a little too tight for my skin. Yep, put it on. Okay, no. Good. You guys need to struggle too tight. Okay, there, I've got it. So it sits, because it's supposed to sit flat there, and then you just clip the little DW bit flat, and that's it. So I actually really like this watch. I love kind of classic sleek watches, so I'm really happy with my choice here. As you saw, I did struggle to put that on. I mean, it's a pretty tight, like fitting length for me right now. I might loosen it a little bit, but pretty happy with it. So I did just want to talk you guys through the watch, but I actually did film a bit of an outfit of the day. It's one of my first outfit of the days, I think, so I hope you guys don't mind my bad posing and bad modeling, but I'm still getting a little bit more comfortable with the camera. And yeah, definitely don't forget to check out the Autumn Hangout campaign Daniel Wellington are currently running, where I think if you purchase a watch in the next few days, I think it's by the 20th of April, but I'll put the date in the description box below, then you actually get a second strap free, I believe, but I'll put all the details below because I don't want to get it wrong. So definitely just double check whatever I write below, and yeah, discount code ZA15 if you guys want to get 15% off your purchase. So now let's get into the outfit of the day video.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the